Welcome to my channel Foodie Heaven. Today, we're making a delicious and creamy chicken tikka masala, a classic dish that's packed with flavor. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: 500 grams of chicken breast, cubed 1 cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon oil for the sauce, 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 tomatoes, pureed 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, half a cup cream fresh. Coriander for garnish. Start by marinating the chicken. In a bowl, combine yogurt, ginger garlic paste, cumin, coriander, turmeric, paprika, garam masala, lemon juice, and salt. Mix well, then add the chicken pieces. Coat them evenly, cover the bowl, and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes or overnight for the best flavor. Once marinated, you can grill the chicken or pan fry it until it's cooked through and slightly charred. This gives the chicken its classic smoky flavor. Now, let's make the sauce. Heat oil in a pan and sauté chopped onions until golden. Add ginger garlic paste and cook until fragrant. Add red chili powder, cumin, coriander, and garam masala. Stir well, then pour in the tomato puree. Let it simmer for 10 minutes until the sauce thickens. Now, add the cooked chicken to the sauce and stir to coat the chicken in the rich, flavorful masala. For that creamy finish, stir in the cream and let everything simmer for another 5 minutes until the flavors are well combined. Your chicken tikka masala is ready. Garnish with fresh coriander and serve it with rice or naan. Enjoy this classic, comforting meal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.